Meet Eyezy Wi-Fi Sync, or simply, the easiest monitoring solution for iPhones. Want to keep track of your loved ones without jailbreaking their iPhone? No need to reinvent the wheel. Entrust this to Eyezy. With Eyezy's powerful features, you can go far beyond tracking. View social media messages from apps like WhatsApp, Line, and Viber. Get into their call log and contact list to spot strangers. Check their browser history to find out if they're searching for something they shouldn't. See if they've saved controversial photos or videos on their phone. Do all of it and even more without them knowing, thanks to the invisible mode. Eyezy's powerful features are all yours in just a few steps. Step 1. Install the additional Wi-Fi Sync app that's included in your subscription on your Mac or PC. Step 2. Connect the target iPhone to your Mac or PC via the USB cable. Step 3. Let the app get the info from the iPhone via Wi-Fi. Want to monitor them when they're disconnected from shared Wi-Fi or need solutions for Android? We've got everything you need. Just visit our website or check out our YouTube channel to find the solution that suits you best. Eyezy Phone Monitoring. See everything, everywhere.